Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for joining us for today's adventure. Out in a little bit of a different spot here, and we are down in the parking lot at Jordanelle State Park here, about to get out on the lake. We've got an absolutely beautiful day here. You can see a little bit of haze in the sky from some wildfires we've got just north of us here on the Idaho border, but it's not too bad. Pretty warm today. So we got the sun shirts, we got some fun new gear off Amazon that we're gonna try out to keep us safe out here in the sun. But we just walked over to the rental spot and we got our two-person kayak, and now we're just back here at the car. We're getting our packs ready. We're gonna walk everything back over there and hopefully be jumping into a kayak. We're pretty excited. We got a beautiful day and it's gonna be fun to get out on the water. So the plan for today, we're just gonna kayak around. We got a 4-hour rental. We're gonna go paddle our way around the lake here. Hopefully we're gonna find a nice little spot to beach the kayak, get out and make some food and enjoy this beautiful day. Come along for the adventure. Stay tuned, everyone. And we're out on the lake. Oh, that was awesome. Super easy experience to get the kayak rented and get up here. I was worried they weren't gonna have enough room to bring the backpack and like our gear out here, but we got it all strapped up here, no problem. So Bianca now is taking out some of our new sun gear that we got. So we got some cool sun hats, they got a mask on them, and we also got some sun gloves. And just to be safe out here, you know, we got 4 hours rented out on the lake, so we definitely don't want to get burnt. That's why I'm rocking this awesome new sun shirt Bianca got me here, and we're gonna go find a cool little spot and go check this lake out. So yeah, check that out. Super cool. We'll probably just start exploring the side. Beautiful day to be out on the water. Well, we just paddled across the open channel right here to get to the other side. You can see right over there's the Marina Cove where we came out of, and now we're way closer just on this side. So seems like there's more here, and there's no highway in the background, you know, so it's nice and a little quieter over here at least. So I think now we're just gonna start cruising around the coves here and see what looks good and check the lake out. So pretty cool. I mean, the day is beautiful. These hats are amazing. They're doing such a good job keeping the sun completely off my face and off the back of my neck. What do you think, babe? Good? Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, so just out enjoying this beautiful day. This is so nice. Break number one, found this cool little cove. Bianca's chilling. Pulled the kayak up onto the beach here. Cool little spot. This is so nice. That ain't going nowhere. All right, we beached, man. Whoa, I'm sinking in. We paddled probably another, I would say 10 minutes down this side right here. And we just ended up on this nice little beach right here. And this is gonna do great. We're gonna start pulling our stuff up here, set up our chairs, and make a little lunch, because that paddle got me hungry. I am ready for some food, so let's make it happen. Look at this, what a nice little setup. Check out our view right here. A few little cattails, but oh, Beautiful. Okay, so we're all set up right here. So let's make some lunch. I'm hungry. That paddle got me ready. So today we're making a real New York style chopped cheese sandwich. So I wanted to make this because I saw another YouTuber who does like truck camping did a chopped cheese, and I was like, you know what, that looks good. It's a nice, just simple meal to make. I like these, like, you know, one pan, one pot meals. They're super easy to do when you're out here. We're gonna get the pan set up here and we're gonna get cooking. Let's make it happen. All right, in the food bag. Oh, we got some chips.
Thank you.
We got some sliced lettuce and tomato. We got some cheddar cheese. We got some cookies. Those are for later though. We got some nice fresh made hoagie rolls. And oh yeah, the beef's in the cooler over there. My oil, my seasoning kit, and I brought a little knife with me. Okay, so when I was like looking up, because I wanted to do the recipe right, you know, it originated in New York and Harlem is what I found on a lot of the recipes. A lot of them say beef and onions sauteed together. They either used, oh sorry, there's a freaking boat in the background here. What, someone else is out enjoying this day? The standard recipe that I could find is it's basically hamburger meat sauteed with onions. You add some type of spice. Now this is where I found a lot of differences. Some people say just salt and pepper. Some people called for adobo seasoning. Some people called for taco seasoning. So I actually did I got salt, pepper, and taco seasoning in here. And that's what we're gonna use. We got cheddar cheese, and then we got the condiments here. So I got some mayo, ketchup, and mustard. And we're gonna make a real New York style chopped cheese sandwich, baby. Hamburger meat and onions going on in. Seasoning. This is why they call it a chopped cheese. All right, I think we're ready for some cheddar cheese. So let's turn the stove off here. Now we'll cap it and let that cheese get all melty for a minute. Are you ready? Let's make this happen. Now, yeah, in a perfect world, we'd toast the buns, but you know what? Life goes on and I think we'll be okay. Oh yeah, how does that look? You wanna take it? And you just want ketchup on yours, right?
A little bit of ketchup.
Okay, first bite.
Exactly what we needed.
All right, I'm gonna get mine here and I'll bring you back in just a second. Whoa, boom, baby. Look at that. In the time it took me to make mine, she's almost done. Ah, this is so nice. Some sun, some sand. Ooh, I might have to crack open a beer here. Yeah, pretty nice, guys. All right, I'm gonna dig on in here. So good. Damn, that was that was good. Just what you need after paddling, something greasy and salty and oh yeah. Well, we enjoyed our lunch. We enjoyed a nice cold beverage. We've just been enjoying the sun and the sand and the sound of the surf. And now we're getting all packed up here and we're not quite sure. We might head on out here and follow the cove before we cut across. So it's nice having this 4-hour rental. It gives you so much time just to hang out and you don't feel rushed at all, which is so nice. We're just getting all packed up here and we're gonna get heading out. Man, and I gotta say, these sun hats are so nice. I've loved the coverage of them. They breathe really well. It doesn't feel like my head's overheating. And the ability to snap on the front face cover and then having your neck totally covered by this big spot in back it's really nice. It's a really great feeling of coverage. So if you are interested in them and you want to see them, I'll link the Amazon link to them down below. It's not an affiliation or anything, but it's just ones that I found on Amazon. So if you want to get the same ones, I'll link it so you can check them out. But we're just gonna start getting all the stuff loaded into the kayak here and bring you back here in just a second once we're making moves and getting off the beach. All right, well, we're off and cruising. There's our little bay that we just had lunch in, right over there. And now we're just heading out. We're kind of gonna go that way around us. We just dunked our hats in the water, so we're feeling nice and cool. Loving it. Well, we beached the kayak here and just turned our stuff back in and we are done for the day. That was really fun. Super cool to get to kayak out there and explore some areas, and for 65 bucks for 4 hours and getting to cruise out there and check everything out was really fun. So could definitely come back and do this again. Did you have a good time?
Absolutely, it was so much fun.
Well, that's all that matters. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel. Drop a like and drop a comment, say hi, say what's up. If you've ever got any questions about any of the gear I use, ask a question. Sometimes I don't provide links for the stuff if you want to check it out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I'll catch you guys out on the next one. Have a good day.